If you currently hold a mortgage on your home, odds are you've either already refinanced once or you will at some time in the future. Some who already have will again. Why is this the case? The most common reason homeowners give for refinancing is to get a lower interest rate. You can see how this thinking makes a whole lot of sense, right? No brainer. A lower rate saves you money every month. Interest rates are fluid, and a refinance helps you capitalize on those changes. But is refinancing always a good idea? Even when presented with the opportunity to lower interest rate, you still need to slow down and consider the whole picture. One scenario where refinance might not make sense is when you're a few years into your current mortgage. Are you 5 years in, 8 years in, maybe a little bit longer? Time flies, doesn't it? A refinance for these longer term situations might lower your monthly payment, but it extends the life of the mortgage back out to 30 years. Are you ready to start that 30 years over again? For some homeowners, that idea isn't going to work too well. Refinancing back out to a 30-year note offers a good short-term benefit, but in most cases increases the overall total amount paid to interest over the life of the loan. Lower interest rates aren't the only factor to consider when looking at a refinance. Sometimes changing the loan's terms from a 30-year to a 15-year note, for example, make the most sense in the long run. Shorter terms amount to less interest paid over the life of the loan. Many homeowners choose to refinance rather than face those hefty balloon payments that tend to sneak up on you, maybe with an adjustable rate mortgage. These loans are rare these days, but if you happen to have one, getting out from under that payment at the end might be a good idea. Ultimately, refinancing your mortgage is a tool you have to empower and improve your overall financial situation. Whether a refi is a good idea right now isn't as simple as it seems. I advise you to seek counseling from a loan officer before starting that process at all. Thanks for watching. I'm Greg, adios, and I'll see you next week.